Okay. So
Tell me
where are
about.
you from?
I'm from Rajasthan, and my local city is Jhunjhunu, and
Okay.
my native place is like I'm living right now. It is Colarnear.
Okay. It is in Rajasthan.
Yeah,
Okay. So we should. You can introduce yourself.
yeah.
Mhm.
And apart from that, my name is Arvind Kumar, and I teach in school. I teach multiple subjects like ST as well as English also. So that's all for me.
Okay. And what's your qualification?
I have done my PG with the English literature as well as geography.
Okay. So you are a government teacher or in a
No,
private
I teach in private field.
private school? Yeah. So which standard do you teach?
I teach up to the 12th standard.
Up to the 12th. Okay, that's great. So you have multiple subject to teach in
Yeah,
school. Yeah. Okay.
yeah.
So let me introduce myself. My name is Menika. I'm from Jharkhand. I'm a homemaker. I'm mother of two kids. Currently, I'm pursuing Master of Commerce. Simultaneously, I'm running my YouTube channel. That's it. It's all about me.
Have
Okay,
you
so
have
you
you
are.
have you heard about
Mhm.
district in Jharkhand?
Which district?
Gadwa.
Gadwa. Gadwa is
You
in your.
do
Mhm.
what do you do
Can
nowadays?
I'm nothing doing anything. Currently, my studies is going on, and I'm learning this language. I want to become a teacher. After when I will complete my education, then I will join. I will teach in private school, not a government,
That's great.
because it's a very like difficult task to crack a government job. It's become
And
a rocket science
I
nowadays.
no. Nothing is a rocket science. We
No,
can do
I know it is not rockets and nothing is impossible. I know very well. But if I have a lots of responsibility, I'm a mother and take care
yeah.
of family, living with family. So I have no enough time to give a proper time for preparation. You know what is the scenario of government exam preparation? What things
I can.
required you must have a specific time for a study because nowadays competition level is increasing day by day.
Apart from that, you have to do a household chorus also.
Yes, of course. And you being a mother, my first priority is give a proper time to my kids. Yes. Yeah, that is the reason. Okay.
And how
So
did you think that I should learn English?
Pani repeat. Huh? You repeat again please.
I I'm asking about you. Then how did you think that I should learn English, and will it be helpful in your field? So
Yeah, actually, I'm very interested very every time. Yeah, but there is no background and no idea you can say. In Corona period, I was preparing for banking examination. Okay, that time I have enough time and everyone stay at home, so I was feeling bored. And I am a studious girls. You can say I like to study. I like to, and I don't like to other work. When I have a free time, then I utilize my time in study. And that time I realize other subject arts my good, other subjects are good, but English is not good. I am facing lots. So I was facing lots of difficulty when I was preparing, and then I realized no. If I am not able to crack exam, but I will definitely improve my English. And I promise myself कि I will definitely because teaching is my passion. Earlier I was teaching in school and then I will join. But before join the school, I promise with myself before join the school. first I want to improve my communication skill, and I want to speak English fluently and confidently.
And do you want to join any Hindi medium school or otherwise English
No,
medium school?
English medium,
Which?
of course.
Okay.
Of course, English medium English school.
But there are many school uh, around me. It is called English medium, but inside this school, the teacher speak Hindi.
Yeah, it is a reality, not in your side, everywhere. It is a true thing. Like teachers are well educated. They know how to speak, but they are not interested to speak with kids, students. Formality when principals comes in classroom, that time only they for like a formality speak in English. But every time no. Yeah, this
Yeah.
is a true. Everywhere.
And actually, I went last year to perform my interview in English medium school, and it is a high standard school. So then then I have to speak in English before principal.
Oh,
But
okay.
that time I was not able to speak a single word in English. So then,
Because we are not habitual. We
at
are
that
not
time, I decided that I have to speak English at any cost.
any cost. Definitely, definitely. And being a teacher, we have a knowledge to speak English. And nowadays we all aware of that. What is
Because
important of English.
because principal said to me that you don't know how to speak English, and then how can you teach a student? So
Yes, yes, yes.
you
Yes,
know,
it's true. It doesn't
so
matter how much knowledge, how much degree you have. First,
yeah,
check your knowledge, speaking skill, body language, communication skill, each and everything. So, when did you start your journey for learning this language?
I started before 20 days ago.
Oh, wow, that's great. It's
I
okay.
first download a fluency app, and in which we have got 20 minutes to talk each other.
Free.
Oh,
Yes,
free.
free. Of-
But after 20 minutes, the call automatically disconnected. So no,
Hmm.
so that's why I'm searching such a platform when I can explore to me.
Your
Okay,
yes.
so that's
Hmm.
why I got the Skype link from the YouTube. So that's why I downloaded it.
Okay, that's great. Yeah, and this is a good because this is a video call. Yeah, and we are talk with each other confidently. In initial days, you will feel hesitate to talk with anyone, no doubt. But when you will become a habitual of this work, then you easily sum up your thoughts in front of anyone. And this is a good thing. And
And
no
I
need to audio call. You always try to call video call.
and
Yes.
when I install this app, then that time I only make a audio call
No, don't do that because we are a learner. We are not
because
here a proficient.
because I'm feeling shy. What to say in
It's okay. Within 2 to 3 call, you will feel comfortable with anyone. Okay, no issue. In initial days, everyone feels shy, hesitate how to speak, how to start conversation. So you feel calm, yes, relax, and then you start to speak slowly. No need to show off yourself.
and now you
If
can
other co-learner, other partner, if he and she is speaking fast, then no matter. You just sum up your thought, relax way. Many people they want to show off ourselves, themselves, but that is a not good thing.
and right
Yes.
now you might observing to me that I feel hesitation while speaking little bit. So that
Yes,
I,
I know. I
I am
can
not
see
fully
on your
convinced.
face. Yes, I can see on your face. Yes, it is true. But you always try to speak with anyone in video call, okay? And you speak relaxed way. It doesn't matter. others people how much knowledgeable.
Okay.
Okay, and easily you will feel comfortable and you will start good speaking in
And ma'am,
good way.
I want to ask that do you have a YouTube channel?
Yes, I have. Yeah.
Yes. That's why you are recording right now.
Yeah,
Over.
yeah. This is a good thing. First, this video will become a memorable for me, and we are doing a practice.
Yes,
Yes.
yes, yes, yes.
Okay. Okay, dear. So I want to disconnect this call. Okay. We
Okay,
will meet
okay.
again. Thank you
Thank
so
you, ma'am.
much. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.